What's up, everybody? Here's a live look at Sioux City, Iowa. Look at your temperature, 70 degrees, winds out of the south at 13. Cold front has not gone by, but the rain is shifting away from you with a severe thunderstorm warning for the southeastern side of Sioux City right now. And the whole thing is roaring to the northeast at about 30 miles per hour. So we've got severe thunderstorm warnings already in effect. Tornado watch for the entire region. You're talking Iowa, Nebraska, Missouri, and I got my buddy, meteorologist Nick Koser. What's up, pal?
What's up, big dog? How are you?
Good to see you, man. It's already popped out. This is early in the day for this action all of a sudden.
I mean, this was already kind of building at around noon, it looked like, and that's a nasty storm right there. That's a whole lot of purple, so heavy rain, or even, I think we've gotten some reports of hail, right?
Ping pong ball size hail was what it was forecasted before. Now it's down to 1.25 inches, but still, I mean, you're between quarter and ping pong ball size.
Ping pong adjacent. Yeah.
Yes, indeed.
Yikes.
It's going to gong off you for sure. That's one line. We've been following that one. This one down to the south has also been steaming to the northeast at 30 miles per hour. It's in eastern Nebraska. It's ready to hop over the river and get into Iowa, too.
Yeah, heads up, Interstate 29. This is going to be crossing over here shortly. I guess hopefully it'll cross over kind of in that no man's land before people start leaving for work.
Yeah, what time? It's early for them, remember? So we're talking Central Time, so it's 12:45, but it is a Thursday.
True.
A lot of people like to get out early.
Yeah,
Thursday,
right.
Including myself.
It's Friday Junior, you know? You got to get out early. That's a lot of lightning.
I'm watching this, too. There is, I mean, it's not tornado possible, but anytime you see a notch like that, you get a little nervous and see what's going on if there's any kind of rotation. But at this point, we're not too worried about that. It's more the hail makers right now. You pull the picture out just a little bit more, and this is a pretty cool graphic. You can see the cold front. That's the spawning point of the severe weather, at least initially right now.
Yeah, the darker colors, deeper colors mean there's more available storm energy, and that correlates exactly to where these storms are firing up. Heads up, Omaha, by the way. That line of storms moving your way.
Did you see this?
That's incredible.
Christopher Tate put this together just in a heartbeat. I thought this was so cool. It's a visible satellite imagery, so you're seeing a literal
broken
snapshot.
arrow.
It looks awesome. Look at the dew point numbers.
I know.
Where's the cold front gone by? Where hasn't it?
Well, the broken arrow's dew point is 17. Are you kidding me? And
Stunning.
then out ahead of that, Omaha's at 64.
And that's why those guys are in the tornado watch, all this region right here, because your dew points are stout.
Yeah.
You got that dry, denser air pushing in behind the cold front to get everything jacked up in the atmosphere. And look at all the regions right now. This is just one tornado watch. Thoughts for the day? We're going to build on this.
Yeah, likely. Basically, you know, the saying, get out of Dodge, I think applies here. Fort Dodge is in the tornado watch until 7 Central. We'll see how it all plays out.
I think so. And this is the area right here that we were concerned with yesterday. And I noticed the spot that's lit up with the tornado watch. It's a level 2 out of 5 on the bad scale.
Yeah.
You're looking at that red shaded area, 3 out of 5. That's closer to the surface low.
Yeah, it's kind of by that, I guess, triple point, right?
Yeah.
You've got the dry line, the cold front, that area low pressure, so you've got all of that spinning and agitating the atmosphere. And it's no wonder that it's a 3 out of 5. And to be honest with you, I mean, you know, we've got another stretch of days where there's at least a 2 out of 5 threat. I wouldn't be surprised if that's not the only 3 out of 5 that we see over the next 4 or 5 days.
I agree. And this has already been ramped up since yesterday. So you saw that region. It was 3 out of 5 for the tornado strength. And you're going EF2 or stronger in that big stripe. Omaha down to OKC later today.
Yeah, so heads up. Make sure that you know that there is not just a tornado possible, or at least an environment conducive for a tornado, but also the big hail makers and gusty winds.
We do the hail, right? So we've got the hail threat, too, which has also been ramped up. You're looking at 2-inch size hail or bigger, but that's a lot of acreage.
That's a lot. And we've seen this so many times this year where these warned zones or these highlighted zones just span so many states, 8, 9, 10 states. So, I mean, and it's interesting. I'm looking at the Fox Weather Alert System. Can you tell it's April? We've got thunderstorm warnings, tornado watches, and blizzard warnings.